Something is really going on in International Airport, Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Lagos. I want you to pay attention in this video that I'm about to show you right now. This is what we call criminality. High one for the matter. Tell me how somebody from any part of the world, maybe you are coming from America, from Europe, from Canada, from Australia, from Indonesia, from China, and you have your luggage intact, nothing happened to your luggage. Then you pass all the immigration. No one asks you to pay any dime, 1 naira. Nobody asks you to pay anything. Then the immigration will stamp you out. Nobody asks you to pay anything, any money. They did not even open your passport asking you, did you put something inside? But once you step your foot in Murtala Mohammed International Airport, once you come down from flight, bam, the begging began. This is what is going on. And I realized that all these alboros in Lagos did not end in the street. They also operate the international airport. The next thing they'll be asking you is, Oga, find out something. Oga, find out something. You will see people with a different frame begging from inside that place, so inside international airport. You will find people from all corners of the airport begging. Okay, now let us go to the place you stamp in. When you get to that place, you give them your passport. The next thing they will ask you is, Oga, you no put anything inside. You don't know, say you go put something for inside for us. And you go to send a play. Before you know it, you go start a changer for you. You go even try to say you go put on stamp for you. This is what is happening. I'm talking a victim of this thing many times. So after that, you will now go and carry your bag. The place you want to go and carry your bag, they will bring your bag and tell you. They will tell you they are going to open your bag. They will scatter it, that you should find them something. And they say, I don't get anything, no. They will say, you don't get euro, you don't get dollar. Find us anything that you get. This is what is happening in Murtala Mohammed International Airport. If you have experienced something like this before, please do not forget to drop it in a comment section. Tell us your own story of what you see in these people's hand. A lot of things are going on in that airport. And I'm going to play this video for you to see the same thing they are doing to people. They will ask you to pay money. Sometimes you give them that money, they will say, no, it's not, and you have to ask something to give them. This is what is going on. So I want you to watch this video. They want to do this woman the same thing, and the woman refused and raised her alarm. Just watch the video. And before we come back and continue, we have a lot of things to say here today. Stay tuned.
Odi, where's Odi? Look at them. We are not paying 1 naira. Say no to extortion. Say no to extortion. Say no to extortion. We are not paying 1 naira. We book our flights. We come back. We are a passenger. We are a passenger. We are a passenger. We are passengers. We are not paying 1 naira. 1 naira. We are not paying. You are criminals. Criminals. You will enter blog. I will pay blog 1 million to share this video. I'm going to pay blog 1 million naira to share this video. You will enter blog. Criminal people. Criminals. Criminals. Look at them. They call themselves fans. This devil. He called himself fans. He called himself fans. We book flights. Nigerians. We book flights. We book flights. We are passengers. We are not cargo. They are here to extract money from us. 5,000 naira per bag.
Now, fans own here. Fans own this terminal.
If you like,
fans own here. There must be a position. You can do for anywhere. This place belongs to official duty. I'm on official duty. You can do nothing.
I am a passenger. Carry them, they go. I am a person. Carry them, they go. We are no.
You can't go. You see this phone? They are not going.
That's me.
This phone.
That's me.
You can't do that video.
That's not the dark beating me. No worry.
Welcome back, my wonderful people, and that video you just watched is what a lot of people are passing through in International Airport, Nigeria. Sometimes people, because they don't want to pass through stress, they don't need that chatting, they just want everything to go peaceful to them, and the person will just take money and give these people. You see, these people they are criminals. You saw those people in that place. They are criminals. All of them know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. And the worst part of it is that if you complain to the other person, look at, he will tell you, just settle them now, just settle and just give them money. Pure scam is what is going on in that place. And many Nigerians are going through this thing every day. Because of all this nonsense that is happening, that is why most of Nigerian youth that is in this kind of position do not want other youth to stand up for their right in that country. Because they think that all this criminality they are doing in this particular internet, that is a place that all the whole world pass. They don't want that criminality to stop. They don't want to stop getting that change they are getting there. So because of that, they don't want other Nigerians to stand up for their rights. And you are dreaming that this country will ever be good. Maybe that will happen when you have left this world and go. So my people, this is what is happening in Murtala Muhammed International Airport. I am also a victim of this thing. It have happened to me. Not because of this. There's so many videos in internet, but it have happened to. I saw this one today. I said I must talk about it. It has happened to me. So I want you to share this video. Share this video. It will do that your brother that is outside may come back this year good, so that he will not pass this stress. Share the video. My people, let's enter inside Abia State. As people don't come outside, they'll come tell us, he said that the governor are not doing any road though. I don't know how true this thing will be. I'm going to bring up the video up here for you to see. If you live in this area, please tell us that you live in this area and do a more video like this to post so that the governor will see this place and go and do it because he's doing a good work. So I'm show you the video.
But social media number one governor ebe a na-arụ ụzọ na-eche ndị mmadụ chi akpọ ụkwụ ha n'aka na-aga na-eche ndị mmadụ chi akpọ ụkwụ ha n'aka ihe awụ nkwọngwa aba a business area ebe na-eweta ego na Abia steeti aba ndị mmadụ na-ata afụfụ ka ndị mmadụ si ata afụfụ na aba na-aga na aba na people na-ata afụfụ ihe a ya wụcha business area ebe na-eweta ego na Abia na ya all people na-ata afụfụ onye ọbụla chi akpọ ụkwụ ya n'aka na-aga. Governor biko bịa nyere anyị aka unu hapụnụ social media ihe ndị mmadụ na-epost ndị mmadụ bịa na-epost na social media na-arụ ọrụ na aba n'ọwa agbawa ebe a na-arụ ọrụ ihe na-emewe iteghara ebe arụrụ arụ asịra na-arụ ụzọ biko gọvanọ bịa nyere anyị aka. Ihe awụcha ndị mmadụ ebe ndị mmadụ na-aga ihe awụ obe ọhịa road obe ọhịa obe ọhịa dị ihe a Nkwangwa market enwebeghị ndị gọvanọ na-arụ abịa sị na gọvanọ na-arụ ọrụ ọrụ ebe a na Lesotho na-arụ ọrụ ya number 1 bloggers unu hapụ anyị aka na social media unu hapụ anyị aka ndị a na-akwụ ụgwọ na social media na-eme ihe a.
My wonderful people, I also want to bring another video up for you. Remember, say that the governor of Anambra State, will be Charles Soludo. They say he don't talk. Say that everybody they come outside though every month they can do their business. Also promise to provide securities to the people in this market. He say that anybody wey no come outside, he go make sure say he see in shop and nothing that person fit do again to open am, that make everybody dey come outside. He want Anambra to open on Mondays. I say na this one dey happen for here, my people. Abeg make una come put mouth for this matter and share the video as you dey watch am.
And I'm on inspection to be sure that your shops are all open. Every Monday, every shop must be open. On Mondays, everybody in the main market must be open. I came to see how it is going. We are bringing security to make sure that everybody has adequate security. It's every Monday. Ndị kwesịrị ibi ịzụ afịa on Monday, jebe ebe ọzọ. Obere oge na dị na-asọ nwa ozugbo ife anyị na-eme. Onye ka ị na-asala aka na nwa ife ị na-eme, mana ọ gị mechiri ya na ọ gị kọsụrụ ya. This is unacceptable. I'll be here again every Monday. We'll be back here. Anytime, any shop that is not open will be sealed and will never be open again for that week. Even at the point, if you are not open, we'll seal you for 1 month. You won't open. Expősed is ready to open. Expősed is ready to open. You open from Monday through to Saturday. All the shops, if you want to trade around here, all the shops must be open Monday to Saturday. So if you have a shop and you can't open it on Mondays, then keep it locked for the rest of the week. Are you with me? And we're going to enforce this. If it's a plaza, you lock it up on Monday, then you will not be able to open it for the week. Are you getting me?
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it dey hot.